Hello all, it's a Wednesday afternoon, about 3:30. I think we might be getting some rain later. It's expected to be 80% rain on Friday. I've got to go to the hospital tomorrow, so I thought I'd do a bit of potato harvesting to take my mind off things. I need some potatoes anyway. I just dumped out this pot and it's full of ants, and I'm trying to wait for them to rack off, but I don't like my chances. So I've got me trusty old garden gloves on. I've got another pot here that's ready to be harvested as well, so I'm hoping there's no ants in that. I'm hoping to do both harvests together in the same video clip, but if we don't, well, I can always do 2 video clips. So we're already up to a minute. So, yep, this one's got a pretty good root system, and I can already see a potato there. I am not expecting much on this one because of the fact that the leaves didn't grow very well, but I guess with growing potatoes you just don't know what you're going to get. It's kind of like a box of chocolates, as the old saying goes. We've got a pretty good root system if nothing else here, so I just saw a worm go in, so hopefully they haven't been eaten. And can't feel any more on the other side there, no. Oh, let's do this, get this out of the way because I don't like those ants. What do we have here? Okay. 3 little eggs. I think that one might have been the seed potato, but it still looks pretty good actually. And now the ants are coming on to me. I don't like creepy crawlies. Sorry. Okay. Get off me. Get off me. Here we go. Now, I'm not sure what's going on here, but I think these potatoes might have been in a bit too long. So, but that's okay. Oh, see? Sorry, I'm blowing ants off myself left, right and centre here. See? Life is like a box of chocolates. You just never know what you're going to get. So, potatoes. Good grief. Oh. Okay then. To be honest, I'm glad I didn't leave it any longer, because some of them are just starting to go a bit hard. But it looks like there could have been more there. So we'll see how we go. Definitely will go down well. What's that? That moved. Hold the phone. There's more. Good grief. Oh my gosh. So that could be a seed potato. That's not a seed potato. Plenty there though. Here we go. Just get all this out of the way. Let's see if there's any left over before I do the next one. So there we go. Not bad. I was afraid that something might have eaten them or something, but that's actually I think the larger ones were starting to go a bit crusty, and if I left it any longer, they probably would have got a bit of scab on them. So that is not bad at all. I'll just sift through this lot. Anything more? And the funniest part is, this dirt is about 3 or 4 times used by now. So for dirt that's well spent, that's not bad. Now I apologise for the noise in the background. We've been wrestling with council workers all day, so I'm not happy, Jan. How am I going to do this? This is a big pot. Let me just get this one. Boy, it's either pull the weeds out or take potatoes out. I'd rather take the potatoes out. I just hope there's no ants in this one. I don't think there was. Oh, no ants, but we definitely got weevils. Oh my word. Oh my word. Oh my word. Oh my. This is a lot of potatoes. I'm going to have to do a potato bake, I think. Oh my. Soil is very dry, considering all the rain we've had. What are we up to here? 7 minutes, okay. Look at that. I am the potato green. Something over here. Sorry, I should point the camera onto what I'm doing. That would help. Oh my. That one looks a bit well done. Oh my. Remember how I used to complain I couldn't grow potatoes? I'm starting to change my mind on that. Not bad sizes. In fact, this is probably the best potato harvest I've had in the past 2 years so far. You don't hear me complaining today. Where's the other big one? Oh, I spoke too soon. I spoke too soon. Good grief, I can't even get them off. Break the umbilical cord a bit. Oh, there we go. I can't get that one off. And it feels a bit soft too. Not sure if that's going to be edible. Yeah, a bit soft. I think that might be a sweet potato. Those two might be sweet potatoes. Nope, dirt going everywhere. Oh, enough of that lot. Let's see another one. And I think we are done. I hope you guys can see what I'm doing here. I really do. Good grief. Alright. Let's weigh these suckers. Here's some big potatoes here. Good grief. I reckon about 2 kilo potatoes here, but definitely glad I didn't wait any longer to harvest them, even though some of them are a bit small. Oh my gosh. Right, let's put you on. That's not £52. 1.5 kilos of potatoes. Wasn't far off the mark. Oi, I hope you all enjoyed that one, because I think I'm going to enjoy these. Okay guys, catch you later.